welcome to another episode of Bitcoin Wednesday. All right, my camera was off just a little bit there. I am your host, Brian. It is so good to be here tonight. It's been a great day. We got lots of rain today, so that was very good. There's lots of fires around here, so the air is fresh, and I'm feeling good right now. So anyway, give me just 1 second. Let me hurry and share this. We'll get going. So it's just me tonight. We're missing Vance. I guess I should probably get my microphone over here a little bit closer so that you can hear me. Vance is off doing some other commitments that he had, so it's just me tonight. It's been a crazy ride this past week. Tell you what. This is the wild, wild west, and if you're not ready for it, I don't know how to prepare you because it is crazy. But we've seen some interesting things this week. As I look at the market cap, we're going to go over that here in just a second. But it's just been an up and down road. I mean, Bitcoin's up, Bitcoin's down, Bitcoin's up, Bitcoin's down. Altcoins are all down. It's the only altcoin I noticed that's really seemed to move anywhere was Ripple, which XRP was at around 25 cents and then moved up to about 32, 33, 34 cents, something in there. I think the last time I saw it today, it was right now it's currently at 32 cents, so it's up a little bit. And everything else, though, has been kind of crazy. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let me just go over here and show this page so you can see it. As you can see, I've the border on my show today is circus because it's don't know what's going to happen. It's just going here and there and everywhere, but it's fun. I mean, it's hard because you're trying to, you just want it to moon. Everybody wants it to moon. They want their Lambos. They want everything now. And I get that. I want everything now too. I would love some of my coins to go to $1 or more, and I'd be very happy. But it can take a little bit longer. And remember those people that got into Bitcoin that have waited years and years and years to where the price is now. Currently today it's at $6,445, which is up a little bit from last week. Last week we were at $6,330. But during this week it went back up to I think about $6,800. Kind of the build up to the I think there's an ETF that's going to the SEC this week. There should be a decision made on it Friday. My guess is they won't make a decision and they'll probably just pass on it for another 30 to 60 days and extend it. But they're going to run out of that. They can do that 3 times on these ETF applications. And once they do that, they've got to make a decision, yay or nay. And there's so many things set up that these ETFs are going to get passed. And if you don't know what an ETF is, it basically is a something traded fund. I forgot the E. Sorry. Anyway, it can be in your 401k accounts. It can be in your retirement accounts. It can be in your mutual funds. It basically allows people to own Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and stuff through their normal trading accounts without having to go on and to Coinbase and buy a piece of Bitcoin or a whole Bitcoin or whatever it is. They are in those accounts and they're safe and they don't have to worry about their private keys or anything like that. So that is a good thing. And it will also bring in lots and lots of money to cryptocurrency that is not there now. The current market cap for cryptocurrency is sitting at $208 billion. Last week we were at $203 billion. So it has improved by about almost $4 billion from last week. The Bitcoin dominance has pulled it back a little bit. Last week, 53.4. Today, 53.23. So not much. It's staying pretty steady right there. But I expect this to continue on as Bitcoin stays dominant, and as people put back money into the market, they're going to be putting it into Bitcoin, and then eventually it'll span out to some altcoins and stuff like that. So anyways, let's go down the list here for a second. Like I said, Bitcoin $6,445, Ethereum $275 this week. Now Ethereum got down to $250, and then it bounced up to $290 and is back down a little bit. Great buy on Ethereum, so that should be a $1,500 coin easily. So definitely a good buy on Ethereum. XRP 32 cents right now. A lot of things I'm reading and hearing about XRP. They expect it to take over Bitcoin. I mean, XRP is a lot of people didn't like it because they said it's not decentralized, and it's not exactly what they want in cryptocurrency. But XRP is decentralized. The banks that owned a lot of it and stuff like that, they've actually turned over a lot of the master nodes. And I know a lot of this doesn't make sense to a lot of people, but it is. They actually used to own all the master nodes, which is how it processed everything. And I think there's 25 of them, and now they have now given up 15 of them that are decentralized, and they plan on giving up the other 10. So XRP definitely decentralized. They have lots of contracts with banks, very well known. They can switch the button in a minute just to switch over to the XRapid platform for XRP. So very exciting. I mean, I can see this work. I mean, they're in with American Express, they're in with MoneyGram, with Western Union, and so there's definitely a lot of great opportunity with XRP to pick up some of that right now at 32 cents. Last year, XRP got up to $3.50, $3.60 in the brief time up in January before the market kind of went down, and so I expect it to go up that. There are people that saying the XRP will get into the $1,000 range at some point. If that's the case, man, right now is a super good buy at 32 cents. So if you're looking for a cryptocurrency to buy, I feel good about recommending XRP. Now, just as a side note, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to give you advice. I'm just here to give you my opinion and my journey on this crypto thingy we're going on right now. So anyways, moving on to Bitcoin Cash. We talked a lot about Bitcoin Cash last week. They've got a couple of different products out. $5, I think, is one of their products where you can buy services and stuff with Bitcoin Cash. They're currently sitting at $524. I hear good things and bad things about it. Some people don't like it. They don't like the name Bitcoin Cash. They think that's kind of stupid to piggyback off of it, but it is what it is, and I don't know much more about it than that. EOS at $4.78. Stellar Lumens at sitting at $21, or excuse me, 21 cents. Another great buy on Stellar. It did reach over $1 last January, so there's definitely a potential there. Litecoin sitting in the number 7 spot at $54. This is almost as low as it was last fall. I remember being around $40, and it actually went up to about $300. So definitely a great buy on Litecoin. I expect it to hit $300 again. I expect it to probably hit $1,000. So very good potential with Bitcoin. Cardano is sitting at 9 cents. It was a dollar coin last January. Another opportunity to 10 times your money on that one. I'm definitely sitting on a bunch of Cardano. I like the coin. I think they've got some great stuff coming out, and so I'm just hodling on that. And so another good buy. Monero is under $100 at $90. Man, what a buy on Monero. As you can see right here, there's only a circulating supply of 16,000. This one has a lot of potential. I think it was $350 last year. This definitely could be a $1,000 coin. So something to look at. I like it. IOTA is under 50 cents, 49 cents. It was a $4 coin last year. I don't know a lot about the Tangle, which it's not a blockchain, it's a Tangle. I hear good things about IOTA. I just don't know too much about it. Tron has moved down a little bit. It's at 2 cents. As you can see over here, most of the coins are red today. Not a lot going on. VChain, I keep hearing a lot about VChain. It's currently at about 1.5 cents. I hear good things about it, but I just haven't checked too much into it yet. Mesigo is under $4 at $3.62. This one's going places. I definitely see this going up. It's got a fairly low circulating supply. A lot of opportunity with that at $3.60, as well as Lisk right below at 407, low circulating supply. This was a $40 coin, so you could definitely 10 times your money on this one, and probably a lot more. It should probably be in the $100 range at some point. Lisk is a great project. Ox, 68 cents. It's supposed to be going, there's rumors of it going on to Coinbase at some time. If it goes on to Coinbase, I definitely see that going over $1, and the sky's the limit on that one. So do your research on that, see what you think. Just going to run down here. Steam, I like Steam. It's at 86 cents. That was a $4 or $5 coin. Definitely a lot of potential there as well. It's kind of a social media platform where you get paid for leaving content, and you get paid for adding content or making comments on content and stuff like that. So definitely a good something to look at right there. Let's see, Verge is at a penny. Siacoin, which is a decentralized web internet, is half a penny right now. I like it. And see if we can round out the top 100 here. Funfair, I've always liked Funfair. It's just over a penny right now. It was about 18 cents last year. It's definitely a good coin. It's kind of an online gambling coin, but I think it has a lot of potential. A couple others I have here. Man, Redcoin is down to 0.2 cents right now. Very cheap. It was about 6 cents or so last year. I don't know what's going to happen to it. It's kind of a tipping coin. There's our top 100. Let me see where Electronium is. We're currently sitting at 110, 0.6 cents. It's kind of been going down a little bit. It did hover around 8 cents, 7 cents, and it's gone down a little bit this last week. Just not a lot of marketing coming out on it yet. They're doing a lot of work behind the scenes, and there's no need for the Electronium team to be marketing in a down market. So I am guessing that as soon as the market goes on an upswing and the bulls start running, that we will be seeing a lot more of Electronium and a lot more marketing. They have some stuff coming out in September. Their instant payment systems will be coming out, along with peer-to-peer transactions, and they've been working on some software to be compliant with some of these networks and stuff that they've got signed deals with, cell phone companies, mobile payment carriers, things like that. So definitely see a lot of good things coming out with Electronium in September. And I think once the market turns around, more money starts coming in, you'll start seeing a lot more marketing stuff by the Electronium team. T-Pay is down $1.20 or 124 at 259. If you know anything about that, I got into it in the beginning, and then they took it away because they wouldn't allow U.S. investors in their ICO. And so anyways, good project. They own part of a bank over in Europe. They want to make it a crypto bank where you can store your crypto. So good project. Take a look at it. Anyway, go back away from there. So I think that's about it for tonight. Like I said, not a lot going on. The market's kind of stayed pretty steady. Yesterday it had a big boost. Bitcoin went from $6,300 up to $6,800, and it's back down currently to $6,445. So, anyways, I know it's short, but we will have more to talk about next week when Vance returns. But for now, we appreciate you joining us. Hope you have a great week, and we will see you next week.